Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options um, and where to find wireless emergency alerts and how to turn them off. So, in settings, we are looking for our safety and emergency options, and here in this little menu we have wireless emergency alerts. By default, they are turned on. To turn them off, simply uncheck this box, and now all these alerts are turned off. It's better to leave it on, but if we don't want our phone to ring, let's just leave it off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and and see you in the next video. Goodbye.